Hi everyone, and welcome to your tutorial video today on how to improve your plank. I'm Yasmin Say, I'm founder and owner of Say Fitness Personal Training. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this one. Okay, let's get started. So the peeling plank is what I teach in all of my classes and to all of my clients to help them bulletproof their plank. Now there is a very important technique to the plank to not only understand how it is one of the most fundamental core exercises there is, but also to understand that actually the plank is a full body exercise. And when you understand how many different muscles are involved in achieving that really, really strong plank, then it will completely be a game changer for you going forwards for whatever plank variation you choose. So to start the peeling plank, we're going to come down onto our forearms. So we come into what is known as a sphinx position. So my shoulders are stacked over my elbows, and the only thing activated right now are my shoulders. So I'm pressing the ground away through my forearms. My hands are flat, but if you prefer, you can also go with fists here as well. Now my gaze is really important here. I'm gazing just between my thumbs. I want to make sure that my head and cervical spine placement is correct here. If you see, if I gazed forwards, see how that radically changes the position of my spine. So I want to create length in the back of the neck and slightly tuck the chin in. Now, I mentioned activating through the shoulders, which is the starting point. The rest of my body is completely relaxed. My belly, my glutes, my legs. And I'm going to cue you as I cue you through the peeling plank process. We're slowly going to come up into our forearm plank. So hence the name peeling plank. So from here, everyone, I want you to stay strong through those shoulders throughout. Keep the gaze in between the thumbs. And then slowly just peel your belly button off the mat. Just the belly button, nothing else here. So you might be familiar with that cue in any of your exercise classes, drawing the belly button into the lower spine. So essentially that's what you're doing here, waking up your core. Now the next thing I want you to do is raise the front hip bones off the ground. Just the hip bones, nothing else, not the thighs. Maybe you're starting to feel the glutes engage here, yeah? Lower abs are engaging here. Keep strong through those shoulders and keep connecting with your breathing. Next stage, you're peeling your thighs off the ground, coming onto your knees. Now that should have felt the hardest bit here. So now that you're in this three-quarter plank, you're probably thinking, wow, this is the toughest I've ever found a three-quarter plank on my knees. So keeping everything activated, shoulders, core really engaged now, glutes definitely switched on. The final bit, coming into that full forearm plank, you tuck the toes. I want you to really engage your legs, push your heels back, engage your glutes and hold it here. Now, even without a mirror, I know that my hips, not my bottom, my hips are in line with my shoulders here. Everything is strong. Every muscle is activated here. My legs are super strong. Now the finale here is to create traction between your elbows and your toes. So what I mean by that is I want you to draw the elbows towards the toes and vice versa. That should feel super tough now. You're probably shaking just like I am, and I want you to hold this for 10 seconds. So keeping really strong. Press the ground away. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down and then sit back into your child's pose, stretching those arms long. Well done. So I hope understanding and learning good technique for a plank has proved to be a bit of a game changer for you. It really goes to show how much of the whole body and lots of different muscles are involved in holding a really strong plank. And it doesn't have to be for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Prove just there how tough a plank can be in your workout program. Please don't forget to like this video, comment with any questions you have about planks, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you on the mat soon.